Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition two digits. The lessons we're going to cover today are add multiples of 10, add a two digit and a one digit number without regrouping, add a two digit and a one digit number without regrouping, add two numbers, add two digit numbers without regrouping. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Just 1 minute. Okay, so let's just start with the first lesson, that is add multiples of 10. Let's just start with the lesson. So multiples of 10 means all the numbers that we can have when you multiply them with the 10. So 10 and 30. 30 is the multiple of 10, right? So 10 plus 30. The both of the numbers have one zeros. So let's just write them down one above the other. So 0 plus 0 is start adding with a one digit. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So that is 40. Let's just start with the test questions. 30 plus 30. So both the numbers have exactly 1 0. Write them down one above the other. Write them down one above the other. 30 plus 30. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 3 plus 0 is 3 plus 3 makes 6. So 30 plus 30 makes 60. So 30 plus 30 is 60. The correct option is option number 3, 60 it is. 70 plus 20, which is the correct option? Seventy plus 20. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So that is 90. 70 plus 20 is 90. The correct option is option number 3, that is 90. Very good. 30 plus 50, which is the correct option? So let's just write them down one above the other. So you have to start adding from the ones digit. The ones digit are 0, so 0 plus 0 is 0 and 5 plus 3 makes 8. So 50 plus 30 makes 80. Option number 2 is the correct option. 20 plus 20 makes 40. It is option number 1 is the correct option. 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 50, which is the correct option? That is 90. 50 plus 40 makes 90. Option 3 is the correct option. 30 plus 20, which is the correct option. Thirty plus 20 is 50. Option number 3 is the correct option. 50 plus 10, which is the correct option. That is 50 plus 10 makes 60. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add a two-digit and a one-digit number without regrouping. 13 plus 4. So start with a greater number and count up to the smaller one. So start with 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 13 plus 4 is 17. So the sum is 17. Let's just start with the test questions. 12 plus 5. Start with 12 and count up to 5. So that is 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So 12 plus 5 makes 17. The correct option is 17. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 17. 12 plus 2, which is the correct option. So start with 12 and count up to 2. So 12 plus 2 makes 14. Start with 12, count up to 2. So that is 14. Option number 1 is the correct option. 22 plus 6. So which is the correct option? Start with 22 and count up to 6. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So 22 plus 6 is 22 plus 6 is 28. So the correct option is 28. Option number 3 is the correct option. 13 plus 5, which is the correct option? So start with 13 and count up to 5. So that is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So the correct option is 18. Option number 1 is the correct option. 25 plus 2, which is the correct option? Start with 25 and add 2. So which is the correct option? That is 27. Option number 3 is the correct option. Ten plus 5, which is the correct option? That is 15. Option number 1 is the correct option. Sixteen plus 3, which is the correct option? That is 16 plus 3 makes 19. So the correct option is option number 2, 19 it is. Thirteen plus 2, which is the correct option? That is 15. Option number 2 is the correct option. 26 plus 2, which is the correct option. Twenty-eight it is. 26 plus 2 makes 28. Option number 1 is the correct option. Twenty-two plus 7, which is the correct option. That is 29. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Add a two-digit and a one-digit number with regrouping. Let's just start with the lesson. 16 plus 8. So start with 16 and count up to 8. So 16 plus 8 makes 24. Let's just start with the test questions. 17 plus 9. So start with 17 and count up to 9. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So 17 plus 9 is 26. The correct option is option number 1. That is 26. Option number 1 is the correct option. 13 plus 9. Start with 13 and count up to 9. So 13 plus 9 makes 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So the correct option is 22. The correct option is 22. Option number 3 is the correct option. 16 plus 6 plus 17. Which is the correct option? 17 plus 6 makes 23. The correct option is option number 3, that is 23. 15 plus 5, which is the correct option? 20 it is. The correct option is option number 2, that is 20. 13 plus 8, which is the correct option? 'That is 21. Option number 3 is the correct option. 13 plus 8 is 21. 14 plus 8, which is the correct option? 14 plus 8 is 22. Option number 3 is the correct option. 19 plus 8 equals? That is 27. Option number 2 is the correct option. 16 plus 7, which is the correct option. That is 23. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add two-digit numbers without regrouping. 24 plus 15. So let's just add. You need to write them down one above the other. Then you have to add the ones. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Now you have to add the tens. So 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 39. Let's just start with the test questions. 45 plus 31. So let's just write them down one above the other. 45 plus 31. Start adding the ones digit. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then you have to add the 10. So 4 plus 3 is 7. That is that is 76. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 76. 13 plus 86. Let's just add them. That is 86 plus 13. So you have to add the ones digits first. 6 plus 3 is 9. Then you have to add the 10. So 8 plus 1 is 9. That is 99. Option number 3 is the correct option. 41 plus 28. So 41 plus 28. 8 plus 1 is 9. So you have to add the digits that are at the tens position. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So the correct option is 69. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 69. 20 plus 61, which is the correct option? That is 81. Option number 1 is the correct option. 20 plus 61 is 81. 51 plus 48, which is the correct option? That is 99. Option number 3 is the correct option. 11 plus 87, which is the correct option? That is 98. Option number 2 is the correct option. Sixty plus 29, which is the correct option? That is 89. Option number 1 is the correct option. 24 plus 15, which is the correct option? That is 39. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. If you're working on chapter addition two digits, the lessons we have covered today are add multiples of 10, add a two digit and a one digit number without regrouping, add a two digit and a one digit number without regrouping, add two two digit numbers without regrouping. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions you can please ask if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.